Welcome to PA Timber Goose. We're going to take a drive through Mount Gretna. This is a very interesting place. Mount Gretna was a military base at one time and an artillery range. And currently it is the home of many artists. Very pretty homes in here, very compact, tight area. This is a very cool area. Camp meeting, Kaufman Avenue. We're going to make a left here. These houses in here are very beautiful. Lots of artistic houses back in here. And this road is only about one vehicle wide. You cannot pass anybody on here. You have to pull off if somebody's coming the other way. Speed limit's about 10 miles an hour because the roads are so narrow, and there are speed bumps on here. I could live in any one of these houses here. They're all very beautiful. Lots of beautiful trees. There's a banner there, Mount Gretna, 125th Camp Meeting Chateau, 1892, 2017. I'm gonna guess the chateau is up in the corner here. Here's the water tower on the right. You can see that from the coming in on the main road. And that was Bell Avenue. Now we're gonna make a left, go across the street here. Lancaster Avenue. I feel like I'm driving through a Christmas scene here. Very beautiful. Very beautiful homes back here. Very decorative. There's a nice A-frame up there on the left. That one says 1892 on it. That one kind of looks like it's from Germany. Let's see where we're at here. Parking by permit only. Lehigh Avenue, Lancaster Avenue. We're still on Lancaster Avenue. So you have to have a permit to park in here. This is almost the equivalent of a gated community back in here. Very beautiful homes. I would take any one of these homes back here. Lots of history in this area also. Most of these houses look like they're from the early 1900s. The way the windows and the way the roof is built. Cedar shake sidings. Decorative railings. Beautiful large front porches. Yeah, we're going to turn on to Lafayette Avenue. This is also very narrow. Very cool back here. Then we looped back around onto Lehigh Avenue. So we came through up on this side up here. Now we're going to make a left and go back out on the main road. That's our short tour of Mount Gretna. Very cool place to visit. There's a lot of activities that they have going on up here. There's an ice cream shop and a few restaurants. There's a bowling alley back here, roller skating rink. Lots of things to do for the family. You can get on their website and check out Mount Gretna. Thanks for watching this short video. Give it a like, it helps other people see this. And as always, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. We will see you on the next video.